Hey everyone! Today I'm going to unbox the Razer's mini microphone I bought from Amazon.com. And here it is! Ta-da! So I got the one in pink, and the package or the box is covered in some sort of a fancy paper, and it's quite torn, but that's okay. So I got the pink one, the one in pink quartz, I think. There are other colors. It also comes in black and white, but I love pink, so pink it is. This is the instruction manual. And there's a free sticker. Very nice. And there's the cable. And this, I don't know what this is called, but it's some sort of a connector. And the base. Oh, and the capsule microphone, which is really pretty, very pretty. Let's see if there's anything left. Oh, nothing's left. So I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.